Hi folks, Mr. Ziegner here. Going to take a look at multiplying and dividing with integers. Those are your positive and negative numbers. And one thing I've noticed over the years with my students is we tend to forget how to figure out if the answer is positive or negative. So this is a quick little trick that I've used to help my students remember quickly if the answer is positive or negative. So here we go. Let's get busy. So you notice I drew a triangle. And in the triangle, in each of the points, I put a positive sign, a little plus sign up here, and two minus signs in the other two corners. All right, they'll be important in a few moments. So here we go. We're going to charge into our first one, negative 7 times 8. Now, so here's how this little trick works. You notice I made two little circles here, and how they work is this. Negative 7, so I'm going to cover up the negative sign. Oop, there we go. With one of the circles, and then times 8. Now that 8 is positive, so I'm going to cover up this one. All right, and here's how it works. What's left that's uncovered? Well, a negative sign. So negative 7 times 8 is actually negative 56. There it is. And that's how this little trick works. Let's try a couple more. Just drag these back to the middle. And let's see what's next. Now we have negative 7, all right, so I'll bring this one down here, times negative 8. All right, drag this one down here. And what's left that's not covered? Well, positive. So it turns out negative 7 times negative 8 is positive 56. All right, one more. Now we have 7, okay, well that 7's positive, times negative 8. And now which one should I cover? It doesn't matter. And what's left that's not covered? A negative sign. So once again, we see that a positive times a negative is actually a negative answer. Now, it turns out that this doesn't just work with multiplying, it also works with dividing. They're opposites of each other. Multiplying and dividing are the complete opposite of each other, so this trick will work with either one. Here we go. So over here we have 32. Well, 32 is positive. And 8 is negative. So we'll cover up one of the negative signs, and there we go. So a positive 32 divided by a negative 8 is a negative 4. So let me grab that marker. So we have negative 4. And now we have negative 32 divided by negative 8. Let me get these off for a second. So was that negative 32, cover up the negative, and negative 8. And what's left? Well, the positive sign. So this stays a positive 4. Get those back off one last time. We're almost there. Last problem is a negative 32. Okay, cover up a negative sign. Divided by a positive 8. Cover up the positive sign. And once again, we can see a negative sign left over, meaning that negative 32 divided by positive 8 is negative 4. Now, if you were looking for the reasons why these things are true, that would be another video. And I have another video on multiplying and dividing integers. And if you want to check that video out, I go into more detail about why these answers are positive or negative. This short video was simply to help us grab that positive or negative answer and move on. So this is just a quick shortcut to get us that negative or positive answer. Hope it was helpful. Have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.